Alright everybody, we are on a fucking roll today. Just gone upstairs and I brought this down. This is a 50mm disc detainer padlock which I got for the princely sum of $2.99. Oh yeah. And the brand on it is Knight. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing really exciting on the packaging, so we're gonna open this bitch up and see what happens. Okay. Now, there she is. I'm gonna need the keys actually to put it on our makeshift hasp. There's the keyway, which funnily enough looks exactly like every other, holy shit, cheap disc detainer keyway. Key didn't go in particularly smooth, but whatever. Right, it feels a bit clunkier than they normally are, and I'm going to use my my normal shit instead of the 2-in-1 because I like using these. Right, keyway's a little bit stiff. I'm going to bring that around there so you can see. Hopefully that nips in. I brought the whole kit down just in case this doesn't work. I'll reach for the 2-in-1. Right. Here we fucking go. Ooh, there we are. Got a nice set out of that one. Hey, and the wrench is gone. Fuck. Good one. Right, let's nip her back in. Good thing about these is you don't actually lose tension on the lock because there are no fucking springs. Alright, see if we can, oh, she's open, avoid any more disasters. Right, she's a bit stiff turning, but there she goes. One Knight disc detainer padlock out of the package. What a load of bullshit. Alright, cheers for watching, bye.